This video covers Excel Module 3, Build a Logical Formula with the if function. In this video, we're going to start playing around with the if function in Excel and doing some what are called conditionals. Okay, first thing we want to do here is I want to click on cell I3, and we're going to set a target for our revenue for this year. Okay. What I want to do now is up on the ribbon up here at the top, click on the Formulas tab, and what you'll see here, there are a ton of different function formulas that we can use. As you can see, there are so many formulas, it will make your head spin. And that's okay. All right, the formulas that we're primarily concerned about in this video is looking at our logical formulas. Okay. So we're going to click on the logical button in the document or in the function library group, and then we're going to click if. Now here's what if does. If looks at a couple of different things. One, it looks at a test to see if something is true or false, and then it sets a value based on if the condition is met. Then it returns one value if it's true, and another value if it doesn't meet the condition. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the if button. Now here's our logical test. With the insertion point, we want this in the logical test box. We want to click on cell H3, which is our annual increase button here. Okay, and then we want to type greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to. And we want to click on cell B13. Okay. And then I'm going to press F4 because I need that to be sticky. So when I go and copy my formula, I need to make sure that we're always referencing cell B13 all the way down. If I don't hit F4, then it'll be like C13, D13, E13, and so on and so forth. And this formula won't work. Okay. Now, you can press tab, or you can just click where in the box where it says value of true. And what I want to do is type in the word met. Okay. Value of false, I'm going to type in the word missed. Don't type in the word met twice, that'd be bad. All right, so met and missed. Now, if I just type in what's called a string or just some characters here, like the word met, Excel will automatically put quotes around here. If you can put the quotes in yourself, which just treats it as a string, or you can just let Excel do it. I would just let Excel do it. Back in the day, you had to do that manually, otherwise it wouldn't work. But we don't have to now, because technology is awesome. Next thing I'm going to do is click OK. And what you'll see here is this. If H3 is equal to or greater than B13, okay, so 75.41% is by far greater than the target increase of 15%. We're going to say that we met. Now, for a quick test, we know that the annual increase for Los Angeles, so H4, is -2%. There was no growth, actually, it shrank. Okay, so if we're looking at if our formula is correct, we should see that that our results should say missed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the formula for cell I3, and I'm going to paste it right below in I4. And what I should see with my if conditional here should say missed. So we know that works, which is awesome. All right, next thing I'm going to do is you can drag and you can just fill down if you want to, or you can copy and paste your formula manually like we did in the prior video. It does not really matter to me. You do what works for you. Now, very quickly here, we're going to go ahead and just check. Since we don't have that many cells to look at, we can actually go and manually verify that our formula is working. Remember that anything equal to or above 15 should say met. And we can see 33% met. Okay, negative 22, missed, met, and missed. So, yay, our if conditional works. Awesome. Go ahead and save your worksheet. And in the next video, we're going to build a logical formula with the AND function.